This is 5.3, Solving Systems of Linear Equations by Elimination. So before we looked at solving systems of linear equations by graphing, and we found where they intersect. Then we found them by substitution, where we plug one into the other, but this time we are going to combine the two. So we're going to add or subtract the two equations to eliminate one of the variables. So, when the equations in a linear system have a pair of like terms or opposite coefficients, you can subtract the equations to eliminate one of the variables. So, if I have 3x plus 2y equals negative 6, and my second equation is x minus 2y equals 10, I see that I have a 2y and a negative 2y. So the coefficients are opposites. I have a positive 2 and a negative 2. So, to eliminate this y variable, I'm going to add them together, because a positive 2 plus negative 2 is 0. So, 3x plus 1x is 4x. Positive 2 plus negative 2 is 0. Negative 6 plus 10 is 4. So you add the equations to get rid of the y. Simplifying, I have 4x equals 4. I only have one variable here, so I'm going to solve for x. So divide each side by 4, and x equals 1. Then I take this x equals 1, and I'm going to plug it back into one of my original equations. So I took equation number 1, and I wrote it again down here, so I have some room to solve and show my work. So putting x equals 1 into equation 1, I have 3x plus 2y equals negative 6, so 3 times 1 plus 2y equals negative 6. Now again, I only have one variable, so I'm going to solve for y. So 3 plus 2y equals negative 6. Get y by itself, and y equals negative 9/2. So I take my x and I take my y, and they go together in an ordered pair for my answer. Now let's look at part of another one, just to see. Up here we were adding, now on this one it's going to be different. So I have 3x plus 7y equals 20, and 3x plus 2y equals 7. They're both a positive 3x, so I'm going to subtract them to eliminate this x variable, because 3 minus 3 is 0. 7 minus 2 is 5, and 20 minus 7 is 13. Solve for y. So divide each side by 5, and y equals 13 over 5. Then you would continue this, take this y and plug it into an original to get your x. It's going to be a little bit of messy work because of this fraction with the denominator 5, but you will get an answer.